Okay, so class 10 chapter 2 salts, acids, bases and salts. Okay, video 14. Okay, these are not test portions. Okay, not test, but you need to just go through. Okay, so you make sure you understand. Okay, exercises are there after the chapter completes at the back on page starting from page 35. So take your text tuition note and then textbook. If you don't have tuition note, then you follow just like that. Page 35. Now question number 1. Page 35. Let me read there. Solution turns red litmus to blue. So its pH is likely to be, your answer is this one, okay, D. So in your textbook you tick D, 10, pH 10. Now why the pH will be 10 if this solution is turning red to blue? That explanation will be given in question 11 tuition note, page 35. Okay, there you will see that bases turn red to blue. That's why, since it's a base, question 50 will explain to you, page 54 of your tuition note, why this pH 10 it is now base means it is pH 10 means because every base has got pH above 7, right? So let us try that. Question number 11. Let us go to 11 on your tuition note, and let me read once. There with an activity explains how bases are identified in the laboratory. Okay, so there how acids and bases are. So if you see the table on page 36, there you will see every acid is turning blue litmus to red, but every base is turning red to blue, right? So red to blue. This question on your textbook is saying solution is turning the red litmus to blue. So which means this is a base. So if this question number 11 explains to us that this solution is base because it is turning red to blue. Now if it's base, surely the pH should be above 7. Now the choices there, A is pH 1 for textbook, B is 4, that is also acidic, 5 is also below 7, only one above 7 is 10, and so this should be the right choice, right? Now question 6, textbook. Now what are missing? 2, 3 and all, that means we'll do later. Okay, detailed explanation. These are directly in the text, so we are doing first. Question number 6, textbook, page 35. Let me read the question. These are already done, so let us just go through them. Compounds such as alcohol, glucose also contain hydrogen. Yes, hydrogen atom, but are not categorized as acids. Describe with an activity to prove it. This is question 29. Okay, you go there. Tuition note, page 46 and 47. Up to the para, just starting from beginning answer, up to the paragraph just before bases. That is your answer. Okay, we have done this in previous videos, so just write like this. Question 29, tuition note, page 46, 47, up to para just before bases, like that. You write on your textbook near the question 6 on page 35 textbook. Write it on your textbook so that you can easily refer during exam. Okay, so that is one. Here also you write like this. Okay, near your question number 1, choice D, you write this too, so that you can refer later on. All these are supposed to be marked on your textbook. Okay, that's why I'm doing this first. The ones that are missing we're going to do separately. Okay, it's on your tuition note already. The ones that are missing here are already on your tuition note. Now question 14, textbook, page 36. So 7 and all we'll do later. Okay, question number 14 there. Let me read it. Okay, one here. Question number 9 is missing. We have missed out, but just there. Question number 9, go there. 5 solutions A, B, C, D, and E. So please write here. I'll write by the side. Okay, question number 9. There, A, B, C, D, when tested with universal indicator, showed pH 4, 1, 11, 7, 9 respectively. Different pH. 5 solutions. Which solution is A, neutral? So right there, here A, write the answers first. Okay, neutral. This one is D. Okay, answer right there, D. Then B, Strongly alkaline means strongly basic. Strongly alkaline. Okay, B. So near that A, you write D. D is the neutral, okay, because D is pH 7. So 7 means neutral. Now, I'll tell you which questions to refer. Now, B, which is strongly alkaline. So you write here strongly alkaline, like that on your textbook. Near that on your textbook, you mark C. Strongly alkaline means very high pH. The highest among them is 4, 1, 11, 7, and 9. 11 is the one. 4, 1, 11 means third one. A, B, C. So that is strongly alkaline. Then C. Okay, I will not write the word then now. Strongly acidic means the lowest pH. The lower the pH, the stronger the acid. Nah? So the lowest pH is 1. That is after 4, second one. So A, B. B is the one. So B is the answer. Write B near your C. Then next D. Choice D. Not choice. Okay, this one is everything has to be answered. Weakly acidic means pH should be below 7. Of course, because all acids have pH below 7. But among the acids, the highest value, below 7, the highest, 4, 1 below 7, those two are the only ones below 7. So 1 is strongly acid, so 4 will be the answer. 4 is the first A, so that is A. Then E, weakly alkaline. Weakly alkaline means pH should be, alkaline means basic. D, weakly alkaline. E. Weakly alkaline means it should be higher than 7, but near 7. Okay, so all those higher than 7 are 4 is lower than 7, 1 lower than 7, 11 higher than 7. 7 is not alkaline. 9 and 11 are the ones. So 9 will be the weakly alkaline because it is the lower pH among the two. 11 is strongly alkaline, no? So 9. So 9 is the last one, E. So your answer for this is E. Okay. Now this is explained very clearly. You know already, but you can write near the, all these things you have to write on your textbook. Okay? Tick near your textbook. Near question number 9, where you get a space, you write there, refer question number 50. Tuition note, page 54. Tuition note, page 54. This question will tell you there if you go. Page 54. Page 54. Question number 50. pH of a neutral solution is 7. pH less than 7 represent acidic solution, and pH value more than 7 up to 14 represent basic or alkaline solution. So that from there we come to know, okay, the pH corresponding to acid, base, and neutral solution. So from there we can easily answer this question. So that question and answer gives us the understanding to answer this question. Okay, so 9 is done. Then after 9, 14. Let me read the question for us. 14 is here. 14. When soap is scrubbed on a stain of curry on a white cloth, why does it become reddish brown and turn yellow again when it is washed with plenty of water? This is exactly the textbook question, tuition note we have done previously in the previous video. So I'll just give you the reference question on the tuition note. That is, you'll find this in question number 6. So here, write down tuition note, page 34. Question answer are identical, so I won't explain anything there. Okay, write this one down near the question number 14 on page 36 of your textbook. Write on the textbook so that you can refer that during exam. Meaning on your textbook you are looking and which page is on my tuition note, where it is, easily you can find out, right? 19. Okay, textbook page 36. Let me read the question. What is neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. Directly, exactly question again, 35, right there on your textbook, tuition note, page 50. There are 2 examples there. What is neutral? Exact question answer, so no need to explain. Question 20, textbook, page 36. Let me read. Give 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Direct, so washing soda, you will find uses Many are there. You pick any 2 important uses. Question 89, tuition note, page 71. So many uses, pick 2 uses. Baking soda, question 86, tuition note, page 69. Write this here on your textbook. Near the washing soda, put an arrow and write this here. Baking soda, put an arrow and write this one here for reference. Okay, we don't need to discuss because we have already gone through this and it's exactly same as this one. Then the correct option is there on page 36, bottom last, number 1, page 36. Let me read the question. With the increase in concentration of hydrogen ion, pH value will decrease. We have learned this, right? The more the hydrogen ion, the lesser the pH. But for reference, you can just write down question 61, tuition note, page 15. We have discussed all these things, okay, previously. Okay, tuition note, page 59. Tick DB decreases, okay? Decreases, the pH decreases. And why does it decrease? You will find the reason here. You already know, but just keep it as reference. Write this one near your, where you have tick B, there you write this one on your textbook. Then question number 2, page 37. The compound which is used in glass, soap and paper industry is A, okay, washing soda. And you will find this, no need to explain. So question 89, A, tuition note, page 71. Write that down near what you have ticked, okay, on your textbook. Question number 3, textbook, page 37. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt. Why? Because it is a salt of what and what? D, because it is salt of weak acid and strong base. Write this one down. And then here the page reference here for this one near D, where you have ticked here, you write there question 72, tuition note, page 65, okay, reference. Now let me explain to you why this is so. Here, see, sodium carbonate, they said. Why it is the salt of weak acid and strong base? Okay, let me show you here. Sodium carbonate, all of us know is this one. Now, every salt has a basic and an acidic radical. The base comes from the positive. Here, positive is Na plus, negative CO3 2 minus. So, this base, Na from the positive means the base is NaOH. And you know that NaOH is a strong base, right? You can write like this on your textbook in that corner where there is space. This is a strong base. We learned that in our previous videos. The sodium hydroxide is an example of strong base. And the negative radical always comes from the acid part. That's why negative radicals are called acidic radical. So this one is nothing but carbonic acid, H2CO3. And you know that carbonic acid is a weak acid. We have learned this as example of weak acid in the examples of acid that we have done. So it is a salt, sodium carbonate, therefore is a salt of strong base and weak acid. See, strong base and weak acid. That's why it's called a basic salt, because strong base will dominate over the weak acid, no? So that, okay. Next, finally, question 5, okay. The compound which is used for removing permanent hardness of water is D, okay, tick D there on your textbook, and near that D, you write this question 89D, tuition note, page 71. So these are nothing to explain, uses, so there, but write it there on your textbook. Where you have tick D, write this one down, okay. So this is your video 14, no test, just the textbook questions. We have to mark the references, so easily pick up. Almost all are like we have already done, okay. Now the remaining which we are not done on this video, we're going to do detailed explanation, but the note is already, the question answers are already on your tuition note anyway. But we'll do detailed explanation in the video 15, okay. Okay, so